Hello students, welcome back. Grade 9 Mathematics Number System Part 4B. Today we will learn about representation of irrational numbers like root x and root x point y on number line. For example, root 6, root 5.3, root 9.7 on number line. Alright. So we have picked up two questions for you today. Representation of root 6 on number line and representation of root 7.6 on number line with a very easy method. First of all, we will mark 6 units. It is root 6. Therefore, 6 units will be marked. You can mark 6 centimeters, 6 inches, anything whichever you are comfortable with. Right? I take 6 centimeters. So from here I will be drawing a line or a straight line first. Alright, I have drawn a straight line. On this I mark 6 units and I name them as A and B. These are my 6 units, right? And then after that I have to mark one extra unit. I'll mark one extra unit and call it C. This is 1 unit. Next step is that I will be drawing the perpendicular bisector of AC. I'll draw perpendicular bisector of AC. What is the method? Open the compass more than half of AC, right? And then mark one point above and one point down, and from this side also one point here, one mark and another mark here. Alright, so now this, join them. I've got the midpoint. Let's call this point as D. Now taking DA as the radius, make a semicircle. DA as a radius, draw a semicircle. After this, at B, we are going to make a perpendicular. Is 60, 120, and then I bisect it. By chance I am getting it here only. It's not necessary that I will get it here. Alright, now this is drawn. This point where it is cutting the semicircle, let us call it E. This distance BE distance is root 6, but I want this root 6 on the number line. So what will I do? I will open my compass equal to BE. Open the compass equal to BE and mark it on the number line that you have drawn. Make this point as F. This point is called root 6. And the distance BF is called root 6 units. It will be equal to root 6 units. Hope it is clear. This is the easiest method to represent any root number, any number which is under the root on number line, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6, any root 11, right? There is one more method of spiral method that is also there. We will learn that also in our next video. Now let us do this second one, root 7.6 on number line. So again, now what is my first step? My first step is that I will take 7. I'll draw one number line. Okay, we draw a little big number line. Then we take 7.6. 7.6 is up to this. Alright, so we name it A, B. Then next step was I have to take 1 unit extra. So I have taken another unit extra, call it C. This is 1 unit. This is 7.6 units. And now next step was that I have to make the perpendicular bisector of AC. So I will open more than half of it, put one arc here and one mark downside. Then from A, same way, cut these arcs like this and like this. Fine. And now join it. So this gives me the midpoint of AC. Let's call this point D. Open the compass equal to AD. And then draw the semicircle. Then at D you have to draw the perpendicular. Steps remain the same. And now from here 60, 120 and here we go. This gives me point E. What is BE? Yes, BE is root 7.6. But I want root 7.6 on the number line. So I will open my compass equal to BE and then bring it down here from E. This point is called root 7.6 and the distance, this point was F. Distance BF is root 7.6 units. Hence, we are successful in marking root 6 and root 7.6 on number line. Thank you.